What's up, guys? This is Clay. I am the president and owner of Thunder Laser USA. And today I'm going to take you on a quick little factory tour. We're here in China, and I just want to give you guys a little behind the scenes look at what's going on. So let's get going. Okay guys, right here is our showroom. So we're showing off our different models and machines. And then we've got our distributor map right here showing where all of our different distributors are located across the world. Here we've got a little samples wall displaying some of the great items that you can make with laser machines. Guys, this is our education and training room. We bring people in and host classes and things like that. We're also training universities on how to teach students, so take a look around. Okay guys, so I'm in our craft room, which is where we make a bunch of our samples. These guys are just in here making samples and testing different materials all the time, so check it out. I'm here in the bolt assembly room. So this is where we assemble all of our bolts. Take a look around. Here's our laser tube testing room. Okay, and here we have our sales and marketing department, and then we have our after sales, and then over on the other side of the room, we have our administration. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this fun little factory tour. I just wanted to give you a little peek behind the scenes so you can see all the different areas and what all goes into making these machines. So I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and keep on lasering.